Hello MSSU students. I am your systems librarian and I'm going to introduce you to the library services. First, you'll need to go to the library homepage. This is your portal for all library services. To get there, go to mssu.edu and under Academics, go to Library. This will bring you to the library homepage. If you scroll down, you'll see our daily hours. These change per day of the week, so make sure to check them every day before you come to the library. Under the hours are the study room availability hours. Study rooms are closed 1 hour before the library closes so they can be cleaned and sanitized for your safety. Underneath the hours are current events and announcements so you can know what's going on in the library. To the right, contact the department. These are the different ways you can reach out to us and ask questions or find out answers. You can email us through LibRCirc, you can call us, you can send us a text, and you can also chat with the librarian. If the library is open, you can chat in real time. If the library is closed, you can submit your question and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Underneath the announcements is the search box. The first tab is Full Search. This is for searching for articles, for research. The next tab is Books and Media. This allows you to search for books, ebooks, DVDs, and other library materials. And Research and Course Guides, which allows you to search the guides that the librarians have made to help make research easier. If you'd like an overview of the library collections, go to Library Collection List. This gives a brief introduction to all the collections in the library. Under the search box are helpful links for us to be able to help you, whether with your library account, reserving a room, how to print and other technology issues, our Overdrive collection, and contact us. Here's a calendar for library events, a preview of new library materials, and at the very bottom of the page, links to our social media accounts so you can be up to date on what's going on in the library. To find books and other resources at Spiva Library, scroll down to the search box. Under the Books and Media tab, this is where you'll search. You can choose to limit your search by format if you'd like books, electronic books, or DVDs, or you can just search and see everything. We're going to search for To Kill a Mockingbird. In our results, you'll see there are physical books, electronic books, and other formats that we're going to go over. To find a physical book, you will need the location and the call number, and it's important to pay attention to the note. The note will tell you if the book is outside its normal space in the collection, such as on display, or the location of the collection itself. If you're not sure of the collection location and there is no note, click on it, and this will take you to a list of content collections as well as floor plans so you can see where the collection is located. If you click on an item, you'll get more information about it, as well as the ability to text the item location to your phone. Enter your phone number, select your provider, and you'll be texted the location and call number so that you can go pick up your item. For an electronic book, if you click on the item, you just have to click on the link that says Connect to. This will take you to the ebook. Scrolling down, you'll see we have DVDs, as well as audiobooks. Let's say, for whatever reason, this book is checked out, but you still really want to get it. You can go to the top of the page under Search Mobius. Mobius is a consortium collection of libraries in the state of Missouri that lend materials to each other at no cost to their patrons. So you can request this book from other libraries in the state. If you scroll down, you just need one title to say available. If it says due, that means it's currently checked out. If it says there's a hold, somebody is waiting for it. And if it says not requestable, that means that library is not currently sharing that material. To do a Mobius request, at the top of the page, hit Request It. You're going to choose your library. We are Mobius, Missouri Southern State University. And then you're going to enter your first and last name, and then your S number with the S in front and MSSU at the end. Choose the pickup location of MSSU, and this will send the book to the main circulation desk in the library on the 3rd floor. To check out, all you'll have to do is bring your student ID or any photo ID. Once you hit submit, it will say your request was successful, or if there's an error, it will let you know. If you're having trouble fulfilling a Mobius request, please reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. All MSSU students have a library account. If you would like to access it, scroll down under the search box and click your library account. Here, you will need to log in with your first and last name, and then your S number with the S in front and MSSU at the end. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see items that you've requested and their status, whether they're in transit or available. If you no longer want the item, you can click and cancel. You can also see what you currently have checked out on your account and when they are due. If you'd like to renew, you can click on it and click Renew All or renew the marked item. You can also see if you have fines or bills. And you can save searches. So this is a search that I have saved from the past. If I hit search, it will run the search in the library catalog for me. And this will allow me to see any new materials under this search. To save a search, you need to be logged into your library account, run the search, and then hit Save as Preferred Search. Research and course guides are research guides that librarians have created to help aid in research. If you scroll down on the library homepage, in the search box under Research and Course Guides, you can search all the guides for what you're interested in. You can also click Browse All Guides to see a list of the guides sorted by subject. Let's try a search first. Click the result that looks the most interesting to you. In the guides, we have not only links to resources, but we can also embed videos and have contact information if you want more information. Many of these guides feature library books, and the links will take you directly to the record of the book so that you can read it right there. If we want to see a list of all the guides sorted by subject, on the left-hand side under Students, you can go to Research and Course Guides. Every department on campus has its own guide. On the right, you'll see more links such as LibAnswers and LibChat, groups such as archives and special collections, instruction guides, as well as library collections and guides. Some helpful research guides are the more popular guides that are used at the library, such as a guide about plagiarism, a do-it-yourself research tool, a basic guide to library research, and library services and resources for distance learning students. Now we're going to look at the art guide. You can see we have print books available, electronic books, and if we go to journals, this will show you suggested databases for the topic area. So for art, we recommend JSTOR. Let's practice a search. So I'm going to do a search for painting. On the left, you'll see a menu. Most databases will have some sort of menu like this that will allow you to specify your search results so that you can get exactly what you're looking for. I'm interested in journals today. And let's say I also want to see African American studies. I can include publication dates if I need to. And then I can look at my search results. So this is the full text article. There is a button here that would allow me to cite this item in the different formats, as well as export it if I want to. I can also download the PDF so that I can access it offline. If you're not finding what you're looking for, you should consider adding or changing your words. It's important in research to be specific, but not too specific. You want to give enough room for different types of language, but still get the results you're looking for. So make sure when you do a search, you have 2 or 3 word options that you can use when searching. If you are accessing library materials on campus, you will be automatically logged in. But what if you're off campus? Then how do you get to library materials? You'll be asked to log in to what's called the proxy. To learn about that, on the left-hand side, go to Wi-Fi and Technology Help. Then, click How do I access library databases? This will give you detailed instructions for how to log in. Essentially, your username is the first part of your MSSU email, and your password is the PIN that was assigned to you. There's more details about what to do if it's not working, or for some reason, something else goes wrong. Please feel free to consult this at any time, or to reach out to the librarians if you need help. To reach out to us, on the library homepage, you can see Contact the Department, where you can send us an email, call, or even send a text. If the library is open, you can chat in real time, and if the library is closed, you can submit your question and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you're looking for something more specific, you can scroll down and do Contact Us. This will give you more options, as well as a detailed list of library staff and their contact information. If you are in the library, you can go to any of the service desks on the 4th, third, and first floor. Please always ask the library for help. We are here to help you. If you are needing research help, you can schedule an appointment for a one-on-one consultation with a librarian. You'll choose the date as well as the time, and then fill out the small form. You can even upload files if you have a particular assignment you need help with. Once we receive your form, the librarian will review it, schedule your appointment, and start researching to help you with your topic. Thank you.